So I have been having a problem with my car and I don't know what it is. So I called my brother to ask him. And first I wanted to record the problem just in case what he says actually works, which would be kind of cool because it's kind of a no-brainer. Well, it's kind of like something that is really easy to fix, but let's see. The thing is the sound when I drive. So here. Do you hear it? It's like scoot, toot, 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 toot. So what he says is the first troubleshooting thing to do is to check and see if there's any branch or anything like that stuck in my wheel thing that could be causing a problem. You hear it? Okay. I'm not gonna look for it tonight because it's dark, but I will do it tomorrow. But that's all for now.